Hey guys, for my nationality media analysis, I chose a movie, Ibiza. It's actually on Netflix. And for the context, I was describing how did the US film crew represent life in Ibiza. I noticed that the US film crew made Ibiza out to be basically just a party country. It seemed like the whole movie and the main characters were going out and doing spontaneous adventures. Of course, they still traveled, but the main focus seemed like they were just going out every night. I think the voices were American females and foreign males because the other main focus was that Jillian Jacobs, an American female, and Richard Madden, a foreign DJ male, fall in love throughout the movie. I think that complexity, a question you can ask yourself, is like what makes Americans think what life would be like if they traveled to Ibiza. I think that the questions that we ask ourselves after we watch the movie would be, would we find love in Ibiza? Would we party every night in Ibiza? Would we get the same opportunities as these women in the movie? And there's probably a little bit more to Ibiza than partying, like their history and their background of the people. I think it definitely displays excellent journalism. It targeted all of the areas that we've been talking about.